Do you want to know how you can update your number in Onlyfans? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can update your number in Onlyfans. So it's quite an easy process. You can do this and you can update your number. Go to onlyfans.com in your Chrome or Edge browser and then click on More. Now what you need to do is click on Settings, and then the next step is to go to your account. Now click on your phone number and then click Update Phone. Now enter the phone number you want to update, click Save, and shortly after, a SMS will come to the SIM which you just entered the phone number. After entering, click Verify, and there you go, you have updated your phone number. Let me show it to you again. Click Update Phone Number, write down the phone number, and the SMS will come to your SIM in which you just registered your Onlyfans. Write down the SMS or just copy, paste it here, and then click Verify. This way, your phone number in Onlyfans will be updated. There might be some verifications, so after passing that, click Verify. And now you have updated your phone number successfully. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.